WA is helping unlock the secrets of the universe with construction underway on the world's largest radio telescope. New technology being built in Myrie will help power thousands of antennas across the outback. Rebecca Petroska has more.
From our red dirt to the edge of the universe.
This is one of the world's biggest science projects, and it's being built kind of just up the road from Perth here in WA.
A telescope on a scale never seen before. The square kilometre array designed to look back 1 billion years in space.
This telescope will show us things in the universe that we have never been able to see before.
The radio antennas are going up, rare images of space already coming through. The next step now, powering it.
So what happens is we hook 10 of the antennas up to each one of these boxes, and then they send the signals back to the computers.
High-tech smart boxes that will help send the signals to space, being manufactured right here in this Myrie workshop.
We've been up against the best in the world, so it's a great opportunity for us. It's employed quite a few people and helped us upscale.
This is a special built chamber to cancel any radio frequency noise. The smart boxes need to be tested here to make sure they're not creating any interference that could drown out signals from space. What you see now is just the start. Over the next decade, thousands more of the antennas will follow.
WA is now one of the world leaders in radio astronomy, and I think it is, amazing that we've got such fantastic capability here.
As the world speeds up its race to understand space,
choose this moment to challenge this generation and the next to make sure this record is not long-lived.
WA is helping phone home. Rebecca Petroska, 7 News.